Hey guys, Truck Boss is in Quanah, Texas today for, dang it, what else was I gonna say, man?
First up, we have Brad taking a deeper look into the current diesel fuel prices. Then we have why is it so hard for me to say that? Okay. First up, we have Brad taking a deeper look into the
That's okay, do we sound okay? Do we look okay?
You look good, damn it.
Okay. Do I look okay? I feel like I look like a foot.
A foot? No, you don't.
Like a toe. Okay, you'll have to take off any sweat, Jason, that you see. Okay. Okay.
Be sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel and hit that bell. Sorry.
I'm standing.
This looks a lot better. I feel like this is a little... And it's almost time for the weather to get blistering cold. Is your wig winterized? I say winterized. It's your wig winterized. Trickety lickety, trickety lickety, trickety lickety, trickety lickety.
Trickety lickety, trickety lickety, trickety lickety, bibbity bobbity boo, bibbity bobbity boo, bibbity bobbity boo. Mommy made me mash my M&Ms, mommy made me mash my M&Ms. Okay. Thought I missed you, but I miss me more. How do I look, y'all? I'm playing two teleprompters.
Oh my God, that needs to go in the blooper right there.
Oh my gosh.
We need to keep that in the blooper. Yes. Oh yeah.